Landlords, did you know that you can mistakenly waive your right to evict a tenant when you accept rent from that tenant? Hi, I'm attorney Tim Baldwin, and I specialize in landlord tenant law. When a tenant violates the lease for something other than non-payment of rent, under Florida statutes 83.56 subsection 5, if a landlord accepts full rent from the tenant knowing of a violation, then the landlord waives the ability to file an eviction based on that violation. However, there's an exception to that. When the violation is continuing in nature, the landlord does not waive the right to sue the tenant for eviction. So it's really important for landlords to understand the difference between an isolated incident and an incident that is continuing in nature. If a landlord does know of a violation, it's really important that you understand that you could waive your rights if you accept full rent payment from the tenant. In addition, if the tenant receives subsidized rent payments, then the landlords have to initiate action against the tenant for the violation within 45 days of knowing of the violation. The landlord has to act promptly, know what the violation is, have the evidence for the violation so that the landlord can pursue the eviction timely. Read the article below, learn more about it, make sure you don't waive your rights as a landlord. Thanks for watching, y'all.